James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a new Nintendo Switch controller. As you guys, most of you know, my wireless one went haywire. It keeps drifting off upwards when you're trying to play. It'll actually keep you walking or driving forward without you wanting to do it. So I went out and bought a wired one. I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. This is, like I said, it's a Nintendo Switch. This is a Hori. This is the Horipad, so this is a direct, you know, it actually has the Nintendo logo, so it is made for the Nintendo, through Nintendo. It actually is logoed with Nintendo Switch on it from Hori, so they have the permission. Now this is a turbo pad, so it does have turbo function. It does come in black. I'm not really sure. It does come in a few other colors like blue and red. The black one I think is like $17 on Amazon. Not a bad price. It is a cord though, so if you want the cordless, you're going to have to spend a little bit more. If you don't know, the wired ones do not have like the flippable motions or the motion control sense. So you won't actually have that on this controller. It does have a detachable D-pad, so you can detach that, you know, precision offset analog sticks, you know, fast action trigger buttons. But, you know, we will actually attempt to check all that out. We are going to pull this open. You guys, well, you guys can look at the box, you know, see the box here. It's pretty cool. Not a bad box. On the back, you know, talks a little bit about it. It shows you, you know, the change directional pad, you know, turbo functions, and make sure that your Nintendo Switch is updated with the latest system softwares to make sure that this will work proper. So it tells you a little bit about that. You know, included controller, instruction manual, pretty simple, pretty easy. Don't really need a lot to know about it. I'm not going to do a full review, probably a video review of this. This is pretty much for streaming. I needed it, had to hurry, had to get it. So inside, you know, it's got your little nice box design. Inside, let's see if we can actually get it out. Here's your box. Here's the inside of your box. And the very back of this is the little instruction manual. It's just a little manual. Tells you what it is. You know, your left stick, right stick, capture button, turbo button, home buttons, USB connectors, and stuff like that. Tells you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to your docking with the wire that is connected. Change the controller pad function. So that is the detachable pad. I will show you guys how to do that in a second. You know, pretty much tells you about your analog stuff. You know, descriptions, several languages. Pretty much what I just showed you right here. Not a big thing. Right back here, you know, caution, make sure that your Nintendo Switch is updated or it will not work properly. You know, usually what they tell you. You know, little cardboard box. Inside of a box. Nice, wrapped up rag. Don't really care about the bag. Long cord. Definitely at least 10 feet of cord. I'm going to say that's probably a good 10 feet. I'm not going to unwrap it for you guys. There's no need. On the end is regular USB, so you will plug the USB into your Nintendo Switch, either on the side or behind the back flap. And that is how you connect it. Now, you have your normal R1, L1, or R and R1, L and L1. Then you have your, you know, your Joy-Cons right here. This is your turbo button. If you guys can see it, turbo. Let's see here, home and capture. Your plus and minus, A, B, Ys. And then you have your D-pad. The D-pad, they say, is detachable. Pretty much you take it off, it is now detachable. You can actually store it in the back. I'm not really sure what the purpose of that is. You know, why you'd want to get rid of that. I guess it's just so you just regular button. I'm not going to do that. We might test it out for the video review, but I probably won't use that a lot. We will definitely be probably leaving it there. So that is the Horipad. Nintendo Switch controller unboxing. It's definitely light. It's really light. It's a, matte black. There is where you store your the pad if you want to take it off. So you can store it there. Buttons seem good. Everything seems fine. That's your unboxing of the Horipad for the Nintendo Switch. This is your box. This is your unboxing from James Braga at thedragonblogger.com. And we will definitely be doing a video review. Thank you for checking out the unboxing. Keep your eyes out for more at dragonblogger.com to come. Thank you.